Hi, my name is Veronica Rhodes. I am the new manager of the South DeKalb Chapel, located in Flat Shoals Parkway, Decatur, Georgia. I'm the first manager to operate out of a temporary location located at Rainbow Park Baptist Church. Our South DeKalb Chapel is currently under renovations. We are planning to reopen in spring 2025. I'm originally from Brooklyn, New York. I spent my high school years in Beaufort, South Carolina. I often came down to Atlanta to visit. I love the city and I eventually relocated here. I graduated from American Academy McAllister of Funeral Services in December 2000. I am a licensed funeral director in the state of Georgia and New York. I've been licensed for 20 plus years in the funeral services. I came into this profession with a simple fascination of forensic science. Once going to school and learning more in detail of what the funeral profession was about, I gained more of an interest in just wanting to be there to help and care for families. When I decided to relocate to Georgia, I contacted two colleagues of mine. Unbeknownst to me, they both worked for the same company, which was Gregory B. Levitt and Sons Funeral Home. Upon coming to Georgia for my interview, I interviewed with both Dr. Levitt and Mrs. Deanna Levitt. I got a warm feeling and spirit from them both, just seeing a dad and a daughter in the funeral profession. When I returned back to New York, my instinct was to immediately receive my Georgia state license. I could not wait to return back to Georgia to join the Gregory Levitt & Sons team. Veronica, outside of Gregory Levitt & Sons Funeral Home, is a whole lot of fun. We are always so professional and we keep that in our normal lives. But I am a huge fan of music. I love to dance. I am into fashion. I love shopping. I love to travel. I've traveled to multiple countries and been a whole lot of places. I am a mother of twin girls. I also do have my pet dog at home. I have a huge family, both on my mom and my dad's side. So I just love interacting with my family members. Fun fact about me is that my dream vacation is to one day visit Saint-Tropez, south of France.